Welcome back. So, we've got another week under our belts of letting the bees do their thing. They're crazy busy today. It's a little windy, starting to get overcast, so I hope that doesn't make them spicy and want to sting us. So the plan today is in my hive, I did not see the queen or eggs last week. So I have to see one or the other today. If there's no eggs and no queen, we're going to have to buy a queen and introduce her. So the second big thing is to see if it's time to put another box on so they can put honey in it. So I'm going to start by disorienting the cranky little guard bees. They are not amused. And let's go see what's happening. All right. The top one only has my feeder in it. There are still a few nosing around, but it's dry as a bone. They've eaten it all. So now, they haven't glued that down. It's surprising as busy as they are everywhere else. I'll sneak a little smoke under the edges.
It's taped in the front.
Huh?
It's taped in the front.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'll just pull that off. Oh boy, okay. This is a beetle trap. I may look at that later, I may not. I may just let it keep working. I can see tons of drawn comb in the middle. Let's start on the edge here. I expect this one to be totally empty. And it is. Just a few explorers on it. Second frame, empty. Third frame, starting to be drawn out. All of that white is brand new wax that they put on. Have a quick look here. And they're filling it with nectar already. It's shiny liquid down in there. They will dehydrate that until it becomes honey. Now in the Cole's hive colony, excuse me, oh, see, this one down here is propolized, it's stuck. There we go. In the Cole's, the queen was up top. Let's see where mine is. Holy moly, look at that comb. Do not want that. So I'm just going to break it off. Super duper heavy with nectar. They're working on drying this out. All I see is nectar up here, just nectar. And they're so obsessed with it, man, they're totally ignoring me. Okay, girls. All right. Come on, get off that edge. Won't you get squished? All right. I'm not going to take all these out because I don't expect much up here. Oh, I see. Capped honey. It's capped. Oh, You see that at the top? See, it's capped. They've already made that dry enough, which is like 15% water or so. All right, I'm going to put this back together and get on down into business. Yeah, move your little behind. Push them back over. Replace this one. This box is going to be super heavy. The honey supers, which are...
Do the lift test and see how heavy it is.
Oh, I'm going to. Whether I want to or not, I'll have to. The honey supers, which are shorter, maybe only about like that tall, they're like 60, 80 pounds when they're full. These are deeper, so it has more room on it. And let's see how Papa can lift this. A few things to move out of my way here. All right, yeah, get over there. You two. You
Leave
three.
them like that and we'll use them.
Oh, definitely. Gotta move that. Oh, you girls, get everywhere. All right. So now I'm going to put this in between. Oh, this is stuck down mega. Nicole mentioned the lift test. See how heavy it is. I would say 30 to 40 pounds. So, just like before, sneak a little smoke under the edge. All right. Now, girls, what have y'all been up to? Another beetle trap. I'll just put that here for that one. Oh, could you hand me that hive tool, please? I dropped it. Thank you. All right. There's no need to overdo smoke. It's got to be there, but don't have to be a whole load. Okay. I'm seeing capped honey down here, but that's not the primary thing we're looking for. We got to see eggs or a queen, or this hive is in trouble. We went to a bee workshop, Anderson County Bee Club, and I found out a lot that I'm doing wrong. Like right now, I'm not wearing enough protection. Oh my God, that's heavy. All right. I see a little pollen, mostly full of nectar. No eggs, no brood. Oh, I see some new capped brood here. Zoom in, Nicole. I want to talk about that. So, this has all happened since we put it in on April 11th. Newly capped brood, larvae, a lot of little larvae. When does So they're maybe a week and a half old, which means they were definitely, these eggs were laid in there since we've had these bees. Oh my gosh. You ain't gonna believe this next frame. Yep, you need to go somewhere else. So do you. So propolized and stuck together. This is another frame that was no, this is one of the originals that came in the box. Excuse me. Look at that brood. All of that is capped bees ready to come out. Oh, look at that. Look at that right there. Oh, that's some good stuff. Woo! Okay. This is all solidly capped. A little handy, they put honey in the corners to have food handy for the newly hatched brood when it hatches. That was unfortunate. You heard Nicole gasp, I did too. I just squished somebody. I'm feeling good. We don't have new eggs, but we have plenty of recently laid larvae. Now they make this comb outside like this for drones. So there's some drone action going on, which is a sign of a healthy hive. You know, they got to have all the components for reproduction. See, here's a hive larva right there. But they have mortuary bees that will clean everything up. If anything, they run a tight ship. Okay. Honey, pollen, little bit of brood. Oh, boy, am I wrong. Those are not nectar cells. Those are all freshly laid larvae. And what they do, just as a matter of course, they keep queen cells on hand in case they need them for an emergency. And they will feed those larvae in a queen cell. They will feed them royal jelly. And tons of it. So that makes them into a queen. Sticky, sticky, sticky stuff. All right, what do we got here? I'm holding it up into the sun, trying to see if there's eggs in the bottom. Those damn things are so small you can't hardly see them. So the lighter up here in the corner is honey, and that is capped brood. Larvae, baby larvae in all of them. Don't see eggs. Could be I'm blind. They're teeny tiny. Smaller than a grain of rice. Oh boy, they're getting mad at my hand here. Hang on. Now get out of the way. Get out of the way. All right, so a little more love. Some for me, because they're finding the nectar on my hand.
15 minutes.
Thank you. All right. So I'm going to speed up a little bit, and I'm going to go straight over to these in the back. Look at this action right here. Calm down, y'all. Oh, goodness. What are you doing? They're asking me, oh, I see what they're doing. They're just trying to clean up my mess. These bees are all laser focused on nectar. Anywhere, anytime they see it, they're going for it. I went over to this one to try to find eggs.
It's full of nectar.
Solid nectar.
Yeah, they have no room.
Not drawn out yet. All right. So I'm putting it back together. Never saw the queen. Never saw brand new eggs, but I've seen larvae that are less than a week old or so. So I still have like any farmer, I got something to worry about. So I move it, move a little bit more, try to give them time to get out of the way, little 2-year-olds that they are. So I have no worry about no concern about their honey stores, which is their carbohydrates. Look at that. Look at that. That's awesome. Put it in slow so that it'll get caught under the frame at the end. Come on, get out of the way. Is there any under that end? I can't tell.
There's one. Now he's gone.
Now, whew, all right then. Try to even it out a little bit. So, they're good on nectar, which is their carbohydrates. They're good on pollen, which is their protein.
The problem is the queen has no place to lay.
Yeah, she's got plenty of frames to lay.
I didn't see any open comb.
Up here, well, they're still building it.
Okay.
All right. No. Look at that mess. You girls wear me out. Okay, I'm going to put it back together. Check back in a week, see what's happened, and I will probably put the honey super on just to give them more comb to lay in. If they lay in it, instead of putting honey, if there's no big deal, we don't plan on a harvest this year. Next video, Nicole's. See you in a minute.